First, spicy tuna sushi roll. Second, beautiful spicy tuna Futomaki sushi roll. That is our third spicy tuna hand roll, Temaki. Inside out spicy tuna sushi roll, Uramaki, California. Beautiful spicy tuna sushi roll. 6 spicy tuna sushi.
Baba got. Oh, we did, Baba. Do. Baba. Baba.
Today I'll make a little bit different flour. Got here and here and here and yes. Okay, I'm gonna cut 3 or 4 fingers, so it will be easy to cut Katsuramaki technique. Now, let's start to cut, okay? First things, you should make the teju, okay? Equal quantity of vinegar and water. So it will prevent the bacteria. I'll use when I'm going to play with the raw fish and when I'm going to make the sushi roll. Okay. I have here the tuna block, that is the akami part. First things is here I'm going to add a little bit salt. That is totally kosher salt, all the side. So why I'm going to use the salt is, that is the important thing. If I use the salt, the excess water and excess level of the fatness will take out, and also it will prevent the bacteria. It cannot prevent well 100% bacteria, but it will prevent somehow bacteria. As you can see here, the water coming from the tuna. So I'm gonna wash it in a proper way. Now it's ready to dry it. The outer layer of the tuna block will damage by the salt, so no need to be worried, because we are going to make the spicy tuna roll. First things is I'm gonna cut in a small stripe tira. Then these ones I will cut in a small dice cut, you know. Okay, I'm going to put here. And these ones I'm going to make a little bit chopped, you know. I'm going to make a little bit more fine chop. Okay, I'm going to add here sriracha, you know. So I'll add a little bit sriracha. Sriracha you can add as per your taste. Then I'll add a little bit togarashi, that's the sesame togarashi. And I'm going to add Cebolino, fine chopped spring onions, onion chips. In the dice cut tuna, I'll add a little bit Malagueta as well, okay? Yes. And also I'm going to add a little bit sesame seeds. And this is my favorite one, sesame oil. I'm going to add a little bit pinch of Himalayan rock salt. That is totally optional, okay? And black pepper. I have to add a little bit more sriracha. Here I add Malagueta, sesame oil, sesame seeds, onion chips, togarashi and sriracha. Now here I'm going to add the spicy mayo, you know. And if you don't know how to make spicy mayo, I already made one video about how to make 6 different types of sushi sauce for sushi. You can check link on my description box, okay? Okay. That is the spicy tuna with spicy mayonnaise. I have the ginger and wasabi, fine chopped spring onions, sesame seeds, malagueta and cucumber tira. And I have here some flowers. Tuna block, Katsuramuki Techniques cucumber, homemade tamago. That is not a perfect tamago, but it's okay. And tuna tira, lemons and avocado. And I have here the spice mayo, black peppers, Himalayan rock salt, togarashi and teriyaki sauce, sesame oil, olive oils and sriracha. I forget to add here coriander, so I'm going to add coriander as well, okay? First of all, I'm going to make the Gunkan. Gunkan means the battle boat. I'll cut neta from this block, okay? This way. Firstly, I'll make spicy Gunkan sushi, okay? The Gunkan is very easy. I'll make with the cucumber as well. I have here the sushi rice. If you don't know how to make sushi rice, you can check link on my description box also. You can check there as well. For the cucumber, you can use a little bit more rice, okay? For the tuna, I'll use less rice, okay? Rice. It's done. The tuna. This tuna, and now I'm going to make the cucumber. There isn't any techniques, just roll the rice ball very smoothly. And one thing is, this closing part always push like this way, so it will stay properly, you know, it cannot open. And always closing part touch with another gunkans. Now we'll fill with this soft tuna. It's called war boat, battle boat, because it looks like a boat, and we'll fill some things on the top. Wasabi and ginger pickles. Yes, this is our first type of spicy tuna roll. It's called Gunkan sushi. I have here bamboo mat and I have here the whole nori seaweed, and also we can say alga. Always have the rough side and side side. Always put the rough side on top. On the rough side we will place the sushi rice. I'm going to make Futomaki sushi roll. Futo means fat, maki means roll. So fat sushi roll with colorful ingredients. Firstly, I will take around 130 grams sushi rice. Always moisturize your hands with teju water. Then put in the middle and gently separate it. Try to put sushi rice all around the equal quantity and don't mash too much also. Sushi rice is the very important thing. So you should know how to make perfect sushi rice. I'm going to use the cucumber, then I'll use the avocado, I'll use the homemade tomato. For the extra level of aroma, I'm going to use the white sesame seeds, and that is my favorite spicy tuna. It's really spicy. I'm going to add this, okay? I think this sushi roll will be my best sushi roll. I hope. Let's see. Okay, let's roll it. Take the bamboo mat very softly and gently and secure the ingredients by your 3 fingers, and the bamboo tip will go to touch here the sushi rice. And also you can mash a little bit sushi rice here so it will close properly. Then take out the bamboo mat and gently roll it again. Yes. Okay, I'll wait a little bit time so it will be a little bit more soggy and it will be easy to cut down, okay? When you are going to cut, always use the water in your knife tip. Wasabi. This is our another types of spicy tuna roll called Futomaki. I'm going to use the half seaweed, half nori seaweed. Take around 60 grams sushi rice, same as like the Uramaki, and place it very gently. Leave this corner. Okay. That's the cone shaped temaki, okay? I already make one video about how to make 6 different types of hand roll temaki sushi. You can check there also. Look, I'm not putting like 3 finger, 4 finger and almost more than 4 fingers in a cross way. Then I can use the avocado, little bit wasabi, not too much, white sesame seeds and cucumber. And this is our spicy tuna, special spicy tuna, okay? If you want to add a little bit more spicy, you can add the togarashi, okay? Then roll it. This corner will go to touch here, like this way. Then roll it, and you should see the level of the both nori seaweed. This nori seaweed and this corner should be equal level. Then roll it. This is just for decoration, okay? To take the more money from the client. Third type of the spicy tuna roll, it's called temaki. Now I'm going to make uramaki, inside out sushi roll with spicy tuna. Lots of people will think spicy tuna sushi roll, that means the just uramaki, that's the inside out sushi roll, but this is the wrong. You can make the futomaki, you can make the norimaki, you can make the temaki. I already make the futomaki and temaki. I'll take around 100 grams sushi rice, then gently place the all around the seaweed. Today I'm going to give the one pro tip, okay? I'm not going to place the sushi rice on the top 1 finger. Seems like a hosomaki. If you are a learner and if you making sushi at home first time, that techniques will be really good. Okay, don't place sushi rice on the top 1 finger. Place sushi rice a little bit more in the downside, in the bottom. Now I'm going to use the togarashi outside. That is the spicy tuna sushi roll, that's right. And on inside. Let's flip it. When you are going to flip it, this bottom side should be upside, you know. That means this way. I'm not placing sushi rice on the top 1 finger, but I'm putting a little bit more rice outside layer from the nori seaweed. So the rice will come to touch here and it will close proper. I'm going to use the cucumber. If you want a little bit more spicy, you can use the spicy mayo as well, and tuna. Also, I'm going to use the homemade tomato. This is not a very perfect one, okay? Don't be worried and don't be offended. Let's roll it, okay? Look, this seaweed will toss that outside layer of the rice. Okay, let's cut and gonna do the plating. Okay. This is our beautiful flower and carrot stars. That's it. This is our fourth one, spicy tuna sushi roll. Let's go to make another spicy tuna roll. That is the fifth one. I love to say this is the dragon styles. Let's the sushi rice and gently separate it. That is the inside out sushi roll. So I'm going to flip it. Let's flip it. Cucumber and avocado, and I'm going to use tuna tira. Okay, then let's roll it. The sushi rolling technique is almost same. I'm going to slice this tuna. And I'm going to use bamboo mat without wrapping. Okay, let's cut it. I'm going to squeeze one more time so it will be a good shape. On the top, I love to use spice mayo. And I'll use a slice of Malagueta. Okay. I'll add a little bit Cebolino, onion chips, and white sesame seeds. You can add the tobiko, red tobiko or black tobiko, and also it will be really good with caviar. This is our fifth sushi roll. Okay, let's go for last spicy tuna ball. But I really love to say this is the spicy tuna sushi, because sushi means a combination between rice and vinegar. So I'm going to use the sushi rice. That's why I can say easily sushi. Also, you can say poke ball or tuna ball. In the base, I'm going to use sushi rice. Okay. And for the extra level of aroma, I'm going to use white sesame seeds. And I'm going to make the little bit more spiciness. That's why I will use tograssi as well. Then I'll use the cucumber. And I'll use the avocado. At last, whatever I have, I will use everything here. Okay, then I'll use the spicy tuna, marinated spicy tuna. And I have here remaining this one also. Now on the top, I'll use a little bit onion chips, the slice of Malagueta. That's it. This is our beautiful tuna sushi ball. On the top, as you wish, you can use spice mayonnaise also. It's already spiciness. I used a lots of sriracha, tograssi, Malagueta. So I don't think we need to put anything sauce. But on the top, if you really like, you can use just a little bit teriyaki sauce. Okay. Yes, that's it. This is our beautiful spicy tuna. You can say the poke ball or ball, whatever you want. That's it, guys. This is our sixth spicy tuna sushi. First, spicy tuna sushi roll. Second, beautiful spicy tuna Futomaki sushi roll. That is our third spicy tuna hand roll, Temaki. Inside out spicy tuna sushi roll, Uramaki, California. And this is our beautiful spicy tuna sushi roll. Yes, this is our sixth spicy tuna sushi. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it, guys. For this. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.